Welcome to my in-depth review of NetHunt CRM, where I'll take you through every aspect of this powerful customer relationship management tool. NetHunt CRM is designed for businesses seeking a seamless and efficient way to manage client relationships and improve team collaboration. Starting with the user interface, NetHunt CRM integrates directly into Google Workspace, making it convenient for teams already familiar with Gmail and Google Calendar. The dashboard is intuitive, providing easy access to pipelines, customer records, and task management tools. Adding new contacts and keeping track of customer interactions is straightforward, which is especially useful for small to medium-sized businesses. The standout feature is its pipeline management, which allows users to customize stages according to their sales or project workflows. You can drag and drop deals or tasks between stages, which provides a visual and organized approach to managing progress. There's also automation functionality that enables you to set triggers for repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. In terms of communication, NetHunt CRM integrates with Gmail for email tracking and sending bulk emails, ensuring you stay on top of client conversations. It also offers analytics tools to generate detailed reports, giving you insights into sales performance and customer engagement. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These links are intended to help you explore tools and strategies for improving productivity and business efficiency. Another noteworthy aspect is the collaboration features. With shared access to records and tasks, team members can easily stay aligned. Notifications and reminders keep everyone on track, ensuring deadlines aren't missed. The mobile app is a bonus for users who are constantly on the go, offering almost the same functionality as the desktop version. However, it's important to mention that some users might find the pricing slightly steep compared to other CRM tools, especially for advanced plans. Still, the comprehensive feature set often justifies the cost for many businesses. Overall, NetHunt CRM excels at combining simplicity with powerful features, making it an excellent choice for businesses looking to enhance their customer relationship management processes. If you're considering a CRM tool that integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace and offers extensive customization, NetHunt CRM is definitely worth exploring. Thank you for watching my honest review of NetHunt CRM. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more detailed reviews and user guides on business tools. See you in the next video.